Got a 95 to 97 Jaguar Van den Pla. Same one I've been working on. Anyway, if you have a no start situation and you're real desperate and you don't care that your door is locked, you just want to like start and you don't want to have the alarm go off, then this is your problem right here. This is the security computer. And I didn't know that, and apparently it's not out there. I'd looked around online, nothing about it. But you can remove this, which is located right in here. Right in here. You got to pull this panel off, and the computer sits right about here. You take this out, you remove it. It's got 4 plugs, a little bit difficult to get off. 2 nuts hold it in, 4 plugs, and guess what? It runs fine. Your no start issue is gone. You won't have the operation of your door locks, but you know what? You'll be driving, and that's good. All right, that's it.